Hello friends, welcome back to Rahul English Study. Today we are going to discuss about 10 important questions for TGT, PGT English Literature and other English literature related teaching exams as a practice at 22. Let's start. Question number 1. Name the writer of the famous comedy Love for Love. What will be correct answer? Correct answer will be Congreve. Option A will be the right answer. Love for Love is a restoration comedy written by English playwright William Congreve. It premiered on 30 April 1695 at the Lincoln's Inn Fields Theatre. Next question. Name the writer of the famous comedy All for Love. What will be correct answer? Correct answer will be Dryden. Option D will be the right answer. Although John Dryden, the poet, is best known for his Alexandrine epics, John Dryden, the playwright, is most honored for this blank verse tragedy, the summit of Dryden's dramatic art, All for Love, 1677, is a spectacle of passion as felt, feared, and disputed in the suspicious years following the English Civil War. Next question. What is the pseudonym of the American writer William Sidney Porter? What will be correct answer? Correct answer will be O. Henry. Option D will be the right answer. William Sidney Porter, better known by his pen name O. Henry, was born in North Carolina and died in New York. But his 16 years in Texas from 1882 to 1898 made a lasting mark on his life and work. Next question. What is a short speech, sentence or poem with a witty or ingenious turn of phrase, originally an inscription on a tomb card? What will be correct answer? Correct answer will be epigram. Option C will be the right answer. Next question. Who has written Alice in Wonderland? What will be correct answer? Correct answer will be Lewis Carroll. Option D will be the right answer. Option D will be the right answer. Alice's Adventures in Wonderland, widely beloved British children's book by Lewis Carroll, published in 1865. Next question. Name the heroine of Shakespeare's Taming of the Shrew. What will be correct answer? Correct answer will be Katerina. Option B will be the right answer. Next question. What is the quest for a medieval legend forming the subject of several early poems and reproduced and continued by Mallory or Tennyson? What will be correct answer? Correct answer will be the Holy Grail. Option C will be the right answer. Next question. Name the dictionary of Anglo-Indian colloquial words and phrases by Sir H. Yule and Arthur Coke Vernell. What will be correct answer? Correct answer will be Sabdavali. Option D will be the right answer. Next question. A glossary of colloquial Anglo-Indian words and phrases and of kindred terms, etymological, historical, geographical and discursive. Next question. In which year did Addison and Steele start their famous periodical Spectator? What will be correct answer? Correct answer will be 1711. Option D will be the right answer. Next question. Which novel of Mulk Raj Anand is known as a total novel of human experience? What will be correct answer? Correct answer will be Untouchable. Option A will be the right answer. Untouchable is written by Mulk Raj Anand that shows the cruelty of the caste system based in the pre-independence era of India. That novel turned out to be his seminal about book Untouchable 1935 about the struggle and humiliation faced by a toilet cleaner named Baka. So friends, I hope you enjoyed the learning 10 important questions. Like, comment, share and subscribe. Thank you.